Hi, my name's Sam Macquarie from the Trundle operations team at Kincora Copper, and we're here at the Trundle Core Farm, and where we're conducting our operations. And if we have over here, we have our technical team. And firstly,
I am Todd McGilvray, Principal Geologist with Kincora.
And
yeah, John Holliday. I'm the Chairman of the Technical Committee and on the board of Kincora. And yeah, we're here today looking through some of the previous holes to just get to understand the geology better. We're exploring in a brownfield porphyry setting west of the North Parks mine at Trundle. And we've got two key prospects, Trundle Park, which is mainly focused on skarn mineralisation, and Mordiallic, where we think we're onto a bigger porphyry system. And some of the core we're looking at, for example, this is from Mordiallic, is in fact skarn near an intrusion. This is magnetite replacement of volcaniclastic rocks. You can see from the magnet there attaching to it, very magnetic. And quartz veining with chalcopyrite in it there. That's the sort of indications we're seeing in our core that suggest to us that we could have a significant economic porphyry deposit nearby at Mordiallic, and there's still a lot of space in between previous explorers and our own drill holes to try and locate that. So that's our plan for going forward for the next few months, is to drill there and also at Trundle Park.
Hi, I'm Sam Spring, President and CEO of Kincora Copper, and great for Sam, John Holliday and Todd to give us a bit of a feel of operations that are ongoing at our Trundle project, our flagship Trundle project in Central West New South Wales. Just to continue on from that introduction, here's a corporate presentation providing a bit more background of our current plans and corporate strategy. I guess John mentioned that we're exploring for a skarn at Trundle Park. Here's some near surface, very promising, encouraging mineralisation from the ongoing hole TRD 008 at Trundle Park. The usual forward-looking disclaimers and notes. The investment opportunity. Kincora, we're focused on discovering a large or a series of large copper porphyry gold-rich systems. We're active in Australia's world-class foremost porphyry belt, the Macquarie Arc in New South Wales. We've got a team with a track record of multiple tier one discoveries and unique knowledge of the belts that we operate in, and we're owners with skin in the game. Targets are key for exploration companies, and we're drilling the only brownfield project, the Trundle Project, held by a listed junior in Australia's foremost porphyry belt. We've got a district scale project pipeline in this region, but really the focus there is Trundle. The first hole, we've had extremely promising results. We've got significant scale across a 10-kilometre strike at two targets that we are looking to test at the moment, and a near surface potential with the ongoing review of the skarn. Pipeline being built out, and I guess really we're looking to position ourselves as the leading pure play porphyry explorer in Australia's foremost porphyry belt. Corporate summary, well funded, having recently undertaken a 5.33 million raising, good institutional backing, a number of good names there on the register, board and management with 7% of the company, and well funded for our high impact drilling activities. Location, again, you can see our projects here in right, located in Australia's foremost belt, known for projects like Cadia, which is Australia's largest gold mine, and the flagship project of Newcrest, North Parks, a cluster of 5 porphyry deposits, and Trundle sits within the same mineralised setting as that deposit. Cal, which is now a 12 million ounce endowed gold operation, looking to ramp up to 350,000 ounces a year. Our Fairholme project sits along the strike, and we're looking to advance some drilling, looking for a Cal lookalike there. And the Boda discovery, the best greenfield discovery in this belt in 20 years. So prolific, world-class porphyry belt, of which we've got 8 projects and a district scale project pipeline covering over 1,600 square kilometres. This region, as mentioned, has been in the news recently for a number of major discoveries. Boda really has put a focus of attention there. The KSDD003, really the discovery hole at Boda, really is a world-class interval, and you can see there, hole 7 only got better than that. To put our first hole at Trundle Park into perspective, you can see it there in orange relative to a number of copper discovery benchmarks. Our team, obviously with porphyries and exploration, team is extremely important. And for us, we benefit from having one of the foremost figures in this region, John Holliday, as our technical director, who's based in the region. He was principal discoverer of Cadia. Peter Lehman, our VP of Exploration, involved with the Tier 1 discovery of Rico Dick, a number of other discoveries, of extremely well-credentialed board with skin in the game and real competitive advantage in the region that we operate in. So an excellent team in summary. The Trundle Project, another photo to put a bit of perspective, excellent Exley location, central west New South Wales. The project is in a brownfield environment. It's in the same intrusive complex as North Parkes, Australia's second largest porphyry mine. It has got an extensive mineralised footprint and pretty unique for any junior to have a brownfield project anywhere in the world, let alone in a Tier 1 jurisdiction like Australia. As mentioned, our first hole at Trundle Park had excellent results, 51 metres of almost 1.2 grams a tonne and better than 0.5% copper from only 39 metres depth, including 20.5 metres of almost 2 gram dirt and 1.2% copper from only 58 metres. An excellent start, and I guess we're building out our understanding at Trundle Park, both for the skarn potential, which I guess has the scope for a potentially near surface open pit type gold starter operation, but more importantly, where's the causative intrusion? Where are the source of the fluids? Is there something that could be a much larger project? As you saw on the front cover, extremely promising results ongoing in hole 8, which is a follow-up within the Trundle Park target area. Moving then on to Mordialloc, which is our second priority target. This is really a large-scale, moderate depth cluster of finger or pencil type porphyries that we're targeting there. Think of Cadia Ridgeway, think of the 5 deposits at North Parkes or the Boda discovery by Alkane. Extensive to depth, not outcropping, with a relatively discrete horizontal footprint. The results that we've got from our initial drilling activities at Mordialloc and previous shallower explorer drilling in this region has provided significant encouragement that Mordialloc has the potential for another cluster of finger porphyries, and really further drilling is planned and news flow from TRDD 006, our last hole there, forthcoming, and hole 2 we're looking to extend in due course. So that 5.33 million raising that we recently undertook has got the drill rig going, and will continue to go, both rotating between Trundle Park, where the rig is at the moment, and Mordialloc, 8.5 kilometres north of Trundle Park on the Trundle Project itself. So in summary, why Kincora? A team with an exceptional track record and knowledge of the belts that we operate in. Extremely positive initial results at the Trundle Project, demonstrating world-class potential. We're well funded, undertaking an aggressive systematic exploration at 2 priority targets and looking to build out the pipeline at Trundle. We've got mineralisation across a significant strike, 10 k's north-south there, in the same complex as Australia's second largest porphyry mine, North Parkes. Very unique for a junior to have such prospective ground in a brownfield setting. And we're testing multiple clusters of porphyry-related copper-gold and gold-copper systems with an independent review ongoing for a near-surface gold exploration target at the skarn in Trundle Park. You can see there some pretty encouraging photos at almost 400 metres depth in hole 8 at Trundle Park. So attractive entry point, we feel, with the 26 million market cap and about 5.6 million in the bank, to what we would like to position ourselves as the emerging leading pure play porphyry explorer in Australia's foremost porphyry belt. As mentioned here, we're looking at corporate avenues to maximise value, both at the asset level, but also corporately, including an ASX listing being worked on at the moment. Current plans at this stage of looking to be listed on the ASX early in the new year. So with that, thank you for taking the time. I hope the field video was providing a little bit more unique insight of ongoing operations, and more than happy to answer any questions with contact details forthcoming. Thank you very much.